Yeah, I'm playing Resident Evil 4. I'll skip cutscene. Anyway, Resident Evil 4.
September 30th, 1998.
I'm gonna skip this. I don't know if you care, but I don't care. But anyway, this man goes in the woods, and yeah, you gotta save him. I don't even know. It doesn't matter. You probably whatever. Yeah, that way. This game I played a little bit before, but I said, hey,
How far could he have gone?
everyone else is playing this game, so it's like I might as well play it. So I decided, hey, I'll just play it. So this is what we're gonna do. I don't know why I said it like that, but whatever. I know how to crouch. Playing this with an Xbox One controller. I tried playing this on the keyboard. I couldn't do it. I have played games. I'm not like I don't even care. Wait, let's go over here.
Anyone home?
I don't know why I'm just like. Can you see this thing? I don't know what this thing is. That's weird. Obtained file. I went up to like chapter 7 of this game, and then I was like, hey, I should just record the video, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Anyway, let's go over here. See, I don't know something. I really don't know what I'm saying. I'm just talking to make this video, whatever, interesting. So I'm just gonna make commentary this whole time. Wow, that guy looks like Santa Claus. Well, if Santa Claus is a myth.
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
He has no idea what you're talking about. I didn't put subtitles. I probably should have, but I didn't. And so you're just gonna have to deal with not having subtitles. I don't know. You can use the YouTube's whatever. Oh no, that's the same guy that was. Oh yeah, this game is pretty violent. So if you're under the age of like 10, don't watch this video. But if you are under the age of 10, I warned you, and if you keep watching this, it's your fault. I don't want to be seeing comments saying, oh my god.
This is not good.
Got a Hunter's Lodge key. I don't know what that's going to do. Well, I got my gun now. Okay, cool. Let's get out of here. Huh, I wonder what I should do. I probably should use the Hunter's Lodge key. Well, I can't. I was about to say I can see it. Anyway, let's look over here. Ah! 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 Also, I changed the color to red because it reminds me of like the original 2004 or wherever the first one came out. And you know how there was the laser thing in the 2004? That's what I'm doing. So I made it, I recreated the, not recreated it, but I made it, I changed the thing red so it looks like the old game. I could have made that a lot shorter, but I, oh no, he's dead. Either his throat was cut or he was strangled. I can't really tell.
What's your situation?
What's your situation? Ah.
What the hell's going on?
Also, why would the president send one man to find his daughter? I'm just thinking that doesn't sound like the best.
What was that?
Oh shit. No. I'm scared. Oh god. Run! Die! Die! No, no, no! Get away from me! Get away from me! Die! 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 That was close. Damn. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh, there's more than one person in this house. That's strange, because when I went in here, there was no one in here. So that's a load of... I can't say that. I think I already did. Didn't I? I don't know. I don't even know what I said that. I'm just gonna run here. If they see me, that's their problem. Not mine. Actually, it is my problem. But, whatever. Alright. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I mean, I don't
Bruce.
know.
This is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake.
It's like,
She may have been taken.
yeah, she better be here. You
Fine.
sent me all the way over here.
I'll see what I can
almost
find.
died,
Hurry up.
so she better be here.
Something's happened to the people here.
She is here, so whatever.
My escorts are.
I think I can be checked. I don't know about. Oh no.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Time to jump out the window. Ow. So,
I'll let myself out.
why did he let him get that close? I'm jumping out the window immediately when I see the thing walking in. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. He's like, well, I can't jump. I better go back in my house. Time to go this way. Head for the lake. Alright. How do I run? Am I running right now? Yeah, I was running. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Yeah, Crackhead. Okay. What am I supposed to do here? Oh yeah, I can hit the lake. Open door. Karate kick this. Close. I want to save. Should I save? Save. Yeah, save game. Alright. Yeah, you can see I have a save on channel, so. I can't see anything. Oh, it saved for me. So what was the point of having the typewriter? Ah, man. They killed the dog in this one. Wait, no. Okay, let's go here. Crouch. I know how to crouch. You told me to crouch. I don't know where he is. Oh, he's over there. I should reload my pistol. Or whatever. Yeah, it's a pistol. Oh my god. Run! Get away from me. Oh, he's walking. I could have shot them, but I thought running away was the best option. Why does it take you so long to open the door? Haha, you can't get me. Okay. Let's check over here. Okay. Let's look around. I know where I'm supposed to look. I'm just looking at my surroundings. So there's the tower. There's the church. Let's look over here. Yep. Well, I bet that hurts. Here. I'm gonna try to be stealthy, but again, I don't really care because they're gonna see me anyway. So there's like no point. So what I like to do in this scene is I like to just run around until something happens. And this works for a really long time. Until someone grabs me. See what I do is I just go around the circle. Chicken. Die. Eventually a chainsaw man. Or I call him Chainsaw Man. I think his name's like Dr. Salvador. But he'll come out and he'll try to kill me. Obviously, I don't want to die. Dying. I'll get away from him. Anyway, I'm a lot faster than him, so it doesn't matter. But I just like to run around this circle. Like, so they can get me. So see, look how good. Oh, no. Seamless. I don't know. What? That doesn't even make sense what I just said. Okay, let's go here. Ah! Get stuck on the wall. Oh! Wow. Careful. I'm gonna shoot you in your kneecaps. No! You're about to get knifed. Boom. I like to see that. This is timed. I don't know how long it's timed though. Oh, you missed. You suck. Shit. I got a first aid spray, I'm fine. Okay, so here is where I should be afraid now. Because Chainsaw Man can one hit kill me whenever he really wants to. No, 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 no. No, 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 this does not use that. Now, it doesn't matter if I have full health. The Chainsaw Man can immediately kill me. Climb up! I'm just gonna stay here now. Oh, they can climb? I can fight them off here. No, no. What? Chainsaw Man can climb. And what? Jump! Let me jump out the window. Get the hell out of my way. Ah. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh. Well, I died. Yeah, that wasn't the best idea to climb up on that tower. I never did that before. But yeah, I guess I could keep going. I'm just gonna skip that because I don't care. I'm back. Yeah, so the strategy works until they figure out what you're doing. What I like to do is I just kill as much as I can. Or I didn't do that last time because I thought I could do better. I thought I could just climb up that tower and I'd be fine. Damn. She didn't get pretty much. I only got 4 bullets. I don't have my shotgun yet, which sucks. This is where Chainsaw Man's gonna come out. Kill me. Red herbs are worthless unless you have a green herb. So yeah. I want to just go into church now, but I can't. So yeah, I'm going to run around until something interesting happens. And that day will come eventually. I stop here. I want to live here now. I can't live here now. No. Craft. Mix. Perfect. Perfect. So I gotta wait till Chainsaw Man comes out, and that's why I know that I'm like halfway. Oh, the scene is so uncomfortable. See, that it really doesn't matter as long as he doesn't come near me. As long as I don't get stuck. I hear him. Oh, he sucks. Oh god, there's Chainsaw Man. No! Oh, seamless. Get away. Oh no, I don't want to get trapped. Get away from me! Please. No, no, die! Get away from me! Oh. Please. I just did a doo-doo. Where's Chainsaw Man? Is he behind me? In front of me? No, he's behind me. He's right behind me. He's right. God damn it! 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 Get away! Everyone, get the hell away from me! This makes me feel better. No. I want to go to, You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Why is the cow on fire? Mate! Yes! Oh God. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Yes. Yes.
La campana.
Okay, yep. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Nos invoca.
I'm so glad that's over.
Tenemos que servir.
Okay.
Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
Okay. Huh. Wait for it! Wait for it! He's about to say the thing!
Where's everyone
Where's
going?
everyone going? Bingo? Ha! Yeah, that's a good one. Alright. So that was the first episode of Resident Evil 4. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of these videos, I guess. I'll be starting part 2 when I want to. I don't know when I'm gonna upload part 2. I don't know when I'm gonna make it. But anyway, I made part 1. So the video is going to end